How to find the value of recurring complex fractions. Sometimes you will encounter complex fractions that follow the same pattern up to infinity. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Is one of many of these recurring complex fractions. Although at the first sight they look impossible to handle because their recurrence extends up to infinity, it is possible to calculate their value following the procedure. Step 1. Express the original complex fraction as a variable. For example, denote the original fraction as x. In our example, we have the following shown on screen. Step 2. Express the next inner sequence by the same letter. This is because the complex fraction extends to infinity, so infinity minus 1 and infinity itself are the same thing. In our case, we have the following shown on screen. Step 3. Solve the equation obtained. The value of the variable represents the value of the recurring complex fraction. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Example. Find the value of the following recurring complex fraction. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. Denoting the entire recurring complex as well as the next inner sequence by x yields, we have the following shown on screen. Multiplying both sides by x to get rid of fraction yields, we have the following shown on screen. This equation has two roots x equals 1 and x equals 2. These values correspond to the value of the given complex fraction. That is all for lesson 11.4.10, and the end of chapter 11. To continue this mathematics topic, please watch 12, Introduction to Sequences and Series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.